Good morning, everybody. It is, sorry for the shaking. It is 7:30 in the morning, and I don't know why I have these still in my ears. So I am getting ready to go to the Target in our, what do I want to say, in one of our surrounding towns, because we don't actually have a Target here. Right where I live, so I have to pay a little tiny bit extra to ride the bus today, but that's okay. I have not been to Target since Christmas, so it's been a while, and I'm just going to have a very nice, chilled couple hours out today. I might even splurge and get myself a coffee while I'm out. I don't know. My bus should be here anytime between 9 and 9:30. And I'm up early so that I can give myself a chance to get ready. So I put on a little bit of makeup. I have to find me some socks and shoes for today. And what else I got? Oh, I'm going to eat a little something before I leave. My breakfast, we got a spinach omelet and wheat toast with grape jelly. And that's what I'm going to eat. Hello, everybody. So, goodness gracious, I've been home a little while. I got home about 25 after 12. So honestly, time was really good. Different glasses, not new, just readers that I've been using to see my phone and everything. Still have not got I don't like these because they're plasticky and they get very filmy, and I think it's my eyes, and it's actually the lens. They get so dirty so quickly. Anyways, we just had pasta and salad. We always eat early on Mondays because of the broadcast. Still have not gotten my video out for today, but that's okay. I mean, I'm just doing all that I can. I'm cold. And I just ate, and you know what? I just felt so sleepy all of a sudden. I told Ronnie, I said, oh my goodness, I said, I could just go take a nap. I could go take a nap. Anyhow, I thought that I would show you guys real quick what I bought at Target. Okay, on top of the piano here, the first thing I'm going to share with you guys that I got. Now these, I don't know necessarily that it was a sale, but the price point was excellent, and I decided to go ahead and get them because I need some good, what do I want to say, like guest towels. These will be set aside for company only. So this was a set. So it's 2 big towels and 2 hand towels. And this set was $10. It's very nice quality, nice and soft. Love the green color too. It's very pretty. And then the thing of washcloths was $5. So I didn't think that that was bad. And that way my company's covered. I've got 2 more towels and a couple more washcloths upstairs. But this will be, with this, it'll be plenty. So I'll be covered on that. So I bought this wreath for $10. I thought it was really, really cute and no more than it cost. I couldn't have put it together for that price. I thought it'd be really pretty for Easter in here above my coffee bar because I've got plans for decorating it for spring. And I just thought this was so, so pretty. The other cute things, pardon my keys and my pepper spray here. I did get, this is not very interesting, but I did get some ibuprofen. I also got some Tylenol. I was completely out, so I needed to get those. That was just a necessity. But I got this really cute bunny. Isn't he cute? I just thought he was so adorable. I love bunnies. I just do. I always have. I just thought they were so cute. And then I got this white one. And I'm not sure where or how I'm going to utilize him, but he's just so cute. And then I got this fake plant for $5. And I think I'm going to put it upstairs in the guest room when I get done painting it. And then my bigger purchase, I guess you could say is my bigger purchase. I'm moving stuff out of the way here. Was this lamp. I thought this was so cute. It's just a mini lamp for like a side table next to your, next to your bed. I thought the color was really pretty. And I liked it. It was really, really cute. They had all kinds of these, different patterns, different colors. But I like the neutral because no matter what I change the room to, I can always use this. And I'm going to put this next to the bed in the guest room. And I think that would be really pretty. I'm just making some little lighter changes in there. And I think that it'll look really nice when it's all together. Hello, everybody. I'm back to painting. I just finished my last roll, which is the last wall. And can you see my face, my clothes, my hands? Oh my gosh. It is a whopping 70 degrees outside today, and the upstairs is stifling. So I called my son, and I was like, just talk to me while I finish this last one. Just get my mind off of how hot it is in here, and just talk to me till I get it finished. So I'm going to put 2 day in a lives together. So you're going to see yesterday and today. So you're going to see Monday and Tuesday all together, and it'll come out tomorrow, which is Wednesday. And I'll show you guys the room. I ran out of paint, just like I thought I would. But I had a little bit of what was left of my other paint, the first gallon that I bought. And I just got it out and rolled the rest of it with it. It's the same color, just a different brand paint. Worked out fine. I think it's going to be just fine. Ronnie's at the gym, and I'm home trying to finish this up. And it's just so hot, and it's so claustrophobic in there, and it's just... I just want it done. So anyways, the sheets and the blankets, the pillowcases, all of that's in the washing machine and washing right now. And so I'll be able to put the room all together. I'm going to vacuum it really good, assemble it back together. I'm going to make sure my master bedroom is clean. And if I can get that far today, I can finish the rest tomorrow. It just seems like, the phone rings. I had to pay bills this morning and everything else. You guys ever have one of those days? Anyways, if you want to know what I ate for breakfast, Ronnie left for the gym and I ate a Hot Pocket. And I drank, you can see my hands. I drank a water, drank a half a water, and then I put it on ice in this cup, and I've been drinking on it, trying to cool down a little bit. So I'm taking a little bit of a break. All right, guys. I am out of breath, okay? I just got done hanging curtains, and I'm a very short girl, so that was fun. That was real fun. So I got the last wall done, and now that I got the curtains hung up, I kind of like it in here a lot better. I still have all of this to clean up. The bed to make. The stuff's in the dryer. But these are the new curtains. I like them. My bedding that goes in here is gray. And I think what I'm going to do is I have a big burgundy pillow that's already on the bed. And I think I'm going to get like a burgundy throw for like the bottom of the bed to kind of tie everything together. And I think it'll be really pretty. I do have some pictures and things that I can hang in here, but I'm not going to do anything on the walls until I know that everything is super duper dry in here. But I am very, very happy with the outcome so far. I do have to buy switch plate covers, new ones, to make them nice and fresh in here. Put everything back, and I'm watching my time because Ronnie will be coming home from on the bus, and I need to be downstairs so I can hear it. So I'm going to try to do a quick tidy in here, and put the paint stuff up, run the sweeper really good, put everything where it needs to go, get rid of the old curtains. But yeah, that's what's going on so far. I just want to say real quick before I go, thank you so much for y'all's encouragement that I was doing good. This is a whole new ballpark for me. I'm not a painter, and this is really the first bedroom that I actually painted on my own. And I don't think I did too bad for first time, so I'm kind of proud of myself. And so I did get a new lamp for in here and some pretty little accessories, and I can't wait to put it in here and set everything up. Also, too, I've got the refrigerator over here. That's the old fridge because I got Ronnie a new one, and I'm going to load it with waters and plug it up over there on that side of the room so that when people stay, they can have their own refrigerator in here. So if they're thirsty, they don't have to go downstairs. I don't know that I'll run it all the time, but I'll make sure that it's plugged in and ready to go for whenever company's coming. But yeah, I am very, very happy. I'm very happy. So I just got to clean up. So I got to get cracking. I decided to make my baby a cake. And boy, does it smell fantastic. I can't wait to eat that.
It'll be good.
Shakespeare.
Yeah. We're going to lie under a tree all afternoon, and I'm going to read sonnets to you.
Hello, everybody. So, where has the time gone? So, I just got out of the bath. It is about 20 to 8. My good friend Emma's coming down here. She picked something up for me. And anyhow, I realized today, after I had taken my bath, I was looking for something that I bought from Target and realized I didn't show you guys everything I bought from Target. So I got my Target bag over here of what's left. And I just thought I would share with you guys what I got left to close this video out. I got the room done. I didn't get it decorated or anything. I did get the curtains hung. It's nice and clean, and I am very, very happy and very pleased. I did post a picture for my friends to see on Facebook, and everybody says that it's really nice. So that makes me very, very happy. So probably not tomorrow, but the next day, I'll probably get in there and clean out the mini fridge and clean off everything and put the decor in there. I did put a couple pictures on a shelf. I have like a lamp that has the tears on it. I did put a little bit of something there. So we'll see what happens. So the first thing I got was these Lindor white chocolate truffles. You guys will see in another video where I'm going to put these. Also got the milk, is it milk? The milk assortment pendants. Who doesn't love these chocolates? These are so good. So good. Let's see what else I got. Oh, I got new shampoo and conditioner. I was going to wash my hair tonight, but then I decided not to. This is called Pineapple Curls. And then that's the conditioner. And then this is the shampoo. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. It's kind of dark in here, but this stuff legitimately smells like a drink. It smells like pineapples. It is so, so good. I cannot wait to wash my hair in it. It's also all natural and sulfate free, which I use because I color my hair, as you guys know. Let me see what else I got in her. What else I got in here? Okay. I use the Positively Radiant Aveeno cream, you know, face cream. And it has gotten a little pricey here lately. Now, if I have a coupon, I will buy it. But I bought the generic this time. It's called Illuminating Daily Moisturizer with Sunscreen. And it has an SPF of 15 in it. I have been using this for a really long time. And I find there's really very little difference between the generic and the original from Target. So I buy the generic. This was the only box they had. So hopefully it works out for me. Anyhow, I love this stuff, and it does make my skin very, very hydrated and very, very soft. I found this headband that I had to have. I've been watching this woman on Facebook. Her name is Sharon Walker. She's a gospel singer. Actually, her kids sing with her. She sings by herself, etc. Anyways, long story short, her and her daughter wear a lot of headbands, and I thought, how cute, you know? I haven't worn headbands in a long time, but my thing is I can't stand really tight things on my head. And this one was really, really loose fitting, and I just thought it was so cute. And I like the bling in it, and it's black, so it goes with a lot of my stuff. So I can't wait to curl my hair and wear it down with the headband. I thought that would be cute. Then I got, this is going to be so exciting for you guys to see this, but Haynes Socks. I wear a size 8. You guys remember me telling you I need to get new socks with my new Skechers? Still have not wore my Skechers. I'm saving them. I'm literally saving them. These are the cushion low cut. Softer than ever, it says. Value pack. This honestly was the cheapest thing. Like, it's $10. And you could get these other ones that really, in my opinion, were no better than these. And they were like $16 for like 5 pairs of socks. Is it my old? I mean, is that what's going on? One day I'm going to be talking about that penny candy we used to get in the store. But you know what I'm talking about. It's like, things are expensive. Okay, so kind of to let the cat out of the bag. Whenever my mom's going to see this, but that's okay. Whenever I have guests, I'm going to, not only am I going to stock up the mini fridge with waters and put clean towels in there, because I just bought towels, you've seen those. But I thought it would be cute to make like little surprises in there. And that's why I bought the chocolates to go in this new basket I found. It's woven. It was in their $5 stuff. And I thought it was so pretty. I really did. I thought, you know, I could use this various ways. Like, I could decorate it for Easter. I could put all kinds of, I could put Easter eggs in it. I could put a plant down in it if I wanted to. It's so pretty. I just thought the woven material was so pretty. But anyways, that's what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to take it upstairs and I'm going to put all the, I like to put like bath stuff, just little things that randomly that somebody who comes and stays at your house might enjoy. But anyways, now I got to figure out how to put this. I just filled this up and now I got to set it down without dropping it. Hold on. Okay. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again for your encouragement on the bedroom. I gotta tell you, my poor feet are bruised in the middle from standing on a ladder, but I'm so glad it's done. It's not perfect. I know it's not, but it's really good for me doing it. It's really good for me doing it. My dad said that when he comes in, he'll make sure that I got it all covered, because I am visually impaired, and it's like when you work in the evening or the sunlight changes or you got shifts of shadow, like, it was very, very difficult to see if I had it covered. I did the very best that I could, and I tried to moderately each section cover it substantially just to make sure that I had it good. I kind of laugh at myself because I used an entire gallon of paint, but I did get it covered. Ronnie's coming in.
Hey, babe.
Hi, hon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys.